DNA is inspiring,
exciting,
creative,
vibrant, it's engaging,
revolutionary,
and limitless.
Lovely paintbrushes.
DNA is a widening participation project aiming to bring students who are currently underrepresented in higher education or higher education institutes into that environment and build confidence and generally just act as a vessel for exposure to what we do here.
It's basically an opportunity for them to be in a university environment here at King's and receive lectures, workshops, go up into labs, and just an opportunity to kind of meet like-minded people and also interact with people that they would realistically never get the opportunity to speak to at that age.
DNA is a program where I think details are everything for the program. We really take the time and the effort to get to know each individual student, but also to bring them together as a group in a way that works really well and in a way that creates a really enduring impact on those students.
DNA is unique because it gives 16 and 17-year-olds the opportunity to see the lab environment before they're even in the university setting. It's a wonderful opportunity because they're still at the stage where they're thinking about what they want to do for their careers. And it's great for them to be able to get a real taste of what the academic setting is like, what research is like, what neuroscience is like. And I think that's very, very unique.
There's a bit of delicacy in working with tissue paper and kind of getting that, so there's a physical delicacy.
One of the things I feel so inspired by in the programme is how that practice of science is seen as more than just the academic. It's about being a scientist in your life, it's about being a scientist in the world. It's a really inspiring mindset to take from the programme, whether or not you go on to study science.
So we as researchers, I think we love the interaction that we have with the students who come on the DNA program, and it's important for us as researchers to be able to communicate our findings, and also we develop our communication skills because we have to explain concepts to students who are a lot younger, so it really helps also us to understand what we are studying, but also more applicable to that generation of children.
I wanted to be a DNA intern because I really enjoy science communication, and I come from a widening participation background as well, and I kind of really would have appreciated this experience like a lot if I had known about it when I was in year 12.
I wanted to be a DNA intern because for me, representation is something that I always, have been really passionate about, and something that is of great importance to me. It's really significant to me personally.
We are the Neuro Ninjas, and our topic of focus today will be Alzheimer's.
My favourite session of the week would be the session we did today where we created our own game, and the aim of the game was to communicate something to somebody else or to kind of care for somebody, and my team I feel like incorporated both into our game, and I feel like that was my favourite session because it allowed me to be creative in a way that I never expected myself to be. Like, I've learned that I actually am more creative than I thought I was, and that I can actually, create things and draw things, and I just never thought that that would be an aspect that would be kind of important in medicine and in science in general.
I think one of the things I remember the most is definitely being in the labs and getting to experience what carrying out real research is like. So I want to be a doctor, but I wasn't sure about if I wanted to carry on research along my medicine career. And I think, spending time in the lab and getting to meet so many scientists and seeing how exciting the work actually is has shaped me so that I also want to carry out research. And they're just such a great role models to have in your life.
I want students to walk away with a sense of empowerment. I want them to feel empowered about the decisions that they make from here on out about their professional careers.
What do I hope? I mean, all I can just hope for really is that they're inspired by not only science, but by each other and by the team that they work with, and whatever impact that has, that it is enduring and that they hold it with them going forwards into their next steps on their journeys.